Hello everyone. So today we are going to look at the cases, naming convention in programming language. So if you see here, we have four different popular naming conventions or cases which you can use. So first is snake case in Python and other programming language. You will encounter this and see like it has been used very widely. So number of to declare the variable number of incidents and greetings of the day which are separated by the underscore. So if you program day in and day out, you know, like we cannot declare a variable with a space. We need to declare using underscore, or we can use camel case. In camel case, it is used like the first letter or first character is always the lowercase, and then if we want to separate, for example, another word, off, so off becomes the uppercase with the title case and incidents. This is how it is being used in like if you want to use with the camel case. And then we have Pascal case. So difference between Pascal case and camel case is like here if you see it starts with the lowercase, but here if you see it starts with the uppercase. So the first letter starts with the uppercase, and then everything is similar. So this is Pascal case. Now the kebab case is like instead of we invert or we replace hyphen underscore with the hyphen. So here we have num of incidents, and here we have num and hyphen of incidents. So these are proper popular or the four types of cases which we can use in our programming language. Now let's see like the popular programming language and the cases which are being used. So if you see here in Python, it is snake case for variable and function, and camel case for classes, and upper snake case for the constant. So upper snake case is the one like where everything is capitalized with the underscore. Then Java, then JavaScript, C hash, C++, Ruby, Go, Swift. So we can see here Java also has Java has camel case, and the classes are declared using the camel case only, and the constants are upper snake case. If we look at Go, and Go has camel case variable declaration, then camel case classes. Go and JavaScript have similar naming convention, except for the constant. Like if we see here, it is camel case. Python and Ruby, they have similar naming convention. So Python and Ruby have lot of similarities. In if you have worked, so if you work with Python, then it is very easy to work with Ruby as well. So yeah, these are the popular programming languages which we can use with the proper naming convention. So whenever you write any programming or you are working in any of the project and you are using any programming language, so please try to use the proper naming convention so it looks better and the linter doesn't throw error. So if you have worked with linters, then it throws the error as well. Thank you.